Hey I what's up? Again from Side Hustles. Welcome back. In today's video I want to show you how you can make money watching videos online. As always guys, don't forget to click on that subscribe and bell notifications, so you don't miss out on of my future videos. Give me a quick thumbs up and leave me a comment. And for those of you guys, I know that you wanna make a change in your life. You're gonna quit your job, you're gonna provide to your loved one, to your family. So I'm gonna show you my #1 recommendation to make a full-time passive income online. Click on the first link down in the video description. I will share you all the details on the inside. Let's get into this video. Alright guys, so today I want to bring you to opportunities of where you can go to make money online by simply watching videos. The two sites that I want to present to you today. The first one is usertesting.com. So if you have a look you guys, it actually shows you that you can make up to $10 per test on usertesting.com. All you need to do is get on the site, enter in your email address, and click on the sign me up button. It's that simple to get started. So how it actually works: so usertesting.com will pay you $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video that you can play. Quite simply, all you need to do is register. Then they will send you tasks of what you need to do to go on to test different sites, okay, and quite simply when you go in there it will be a different range of things. Sometimes you'll need to test their site, sometimes you'll need to watch something. Then what you will need to do is you will need to give them feedback. So you need to be very clear. I signed up to usertesting.com and it took a couple of days. I had to find the FAQ. How long it took me to do that, what I thought of it, whether or not the FAQs were helpful or not, and the other thing I had to do was there was a video that they had on their site describing what I got paid. $20 got paid $10, so as you can see, if you multiply that by 3 times, there's $60 an hour. So really cool site. I definitely recommend you check it out. As you can see, they've sent out more than 700,000 tests have really been taken. As you can see, some big names here. You got Apple, Microsoft, Yahoo, Adobe, Facebook, Wikipedia. So huge multinational companies are using this usertesting.com. I get yourselves a good microphone. It's pretty much all you need. You need an iPhone, iPad, an Android, or a tablet, and it's pretty much it. You need to be at least 18 years of age to get started. And you need to have the ability to speak your thoughts aloud in English. How much money can you make? Well, while user testing is a great way to earn a few extra dollars on the side, it won't make you rich, guys. How do you get paid? So they pay you via PayPal. You must have a PayPal account. As you can see, earning $10 per test. It's only 20 minutes per test. It's probably one of the easiest ways to make money online. So definitely recommend you check this one out. Really cool way to make some extra money. And what I'll do now is I'll bring you the next opportunity on how to make money online. Alright guys. So another way that you can make money watching videos online or testing apps is through a company called Testing Time. Now, if you're looking at making money online fast, it's one of the better sites. I'll go into a little bit more for you. So if you get on the site, you can see here that they immediately say we recruit test users, and automatically they go into tests with people from our growing pool of 150,000 individuals. So a lot of people work from. So how it basically works is companies will book a test online, and then you conduct tests, and within 48 hours, earn up to $50 per hour. Now, what will happen here guys is once you actually click on to become a tester, that will ask you, or you'll get a questionnaire. So they'll ask you a series of questions. What education level you have, where you live. You'll get up to $50 per study. It is a really fast way of make money online guys, and it's so simple to do. If you're looking at a side gig where you can make a little bit of extra money, with these two sites, testingtime.com is obviously a fantastic option for you. This is an okay way of making money online. You could definitely make a few $100. But these earning alright are like a part-time job getting paid minimum wage. Alright. You're gonna start earning money. In 2009, I was doing fast food parcel job. It was great. I didn't know any better. That was the most money I've ever received. Because it was my first. But as time goes on, you realize that your time is being undervalued. And you could probably relate with this. They are repaying you the minimum payment, that they can. Okay, that was me here. I knew I wasn't gonna achieve financial freedom. I drop out college for failed continuously. My family was fallen in debt in 2010. I was tried for get some handful money. I looked in online tutorial, I implemented those. But failed and failed every time. In 10 years online journey, now in 2020 you look my live income. That's crazy like. Yes, now I have financial freedom, small but beautiful house. No debt in my family. Oh, no, I am not getting any treasure. I meet people all the time who are discouraged and overwhelmed by life. You've probably met people like this, too. Trying circumstances have disappointed them, and they feel like giving up. If you are not living the ideal life, it is time for a change. Yes, if you click the first link down below this video, you're gonna get 3 types of freedom. Money freedom, time freedom, geo freedom. Looking at my phone notifications going of $1,000. Here $1,000. They're landing in my bank account. You're gonna find out exactly how I was able to do that, by clicking the link down below this video. This action can unlocks the secrets to your future $9,259.74 per month. Because I am about to reveal every secret from my success. The freedom to live anywhere does not need to be exotic. Maybe you just want to live on the other side of your city. The problem is the commute is a pain in the ass. Now you can live wherever you want. Whether that's an Indonesian beach, or a comfortable house outside the city. You choose. I know you've been burned before. We all have. So you're gonna get all of that down below in the first link. In this below this video, and if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like it, subscribe, comment, and go ahead and watch this playlist. I've included right here, on all the ways on how to make money online. Take care you.